Hey all, welcome to this channel Learn and Study. In this video, we'll be looking through some 1 mark questions from the chapter French Revolution. So let's get started. In which year did the French Revolution started? It started in the year 14 July 1789. Who was the king of France during the French Revolution? Louis XVI was the king of France during the French Revolution. Who wrote the book The Social Contract? It was written by Rousseau. Who wrote the French national anthem Marseillaise? It was written by Roget L.I. In how many estates French society was divided in the 18th century? The French society was divided into 3 estates in the 18th century. These are the answers for the questions below. Why was the Bastille hated by the people of France? The Bastille was hated by the people of France because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Who were nobles? They were wealthy and high rank officials. Which estate of France paid all the taxes? The third estate paid all the taxes. Louis XVI was related to which family of the French dynasty? He was from the Bourbon family. What was guillotine? It was a device consisting of the 2 poles and blade with which a person is beheaded. These are the answers for the following questions. What was a State General? A State General was a political body which all the estates sent their representatives. Name the tax which was paid directly to the state. It's called taille. Name the tax which levied by the church and 1/10 of the agricultural produce. Pite. Name the currency of France which was used till 1794. Livres. The currency was called livres. What is subsistence crisis? It is an extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered, and these are the answers for the following questions. Whose reign was called the Reign of Terror, and from which year till which year did it remain? Robespierre's reign was known as the Reign of Terror, and it started in 1793 and ended in 1794. When did the abolition of slavery take place in French colonies? It was in the year 1848. When did Napoleon become the Emperor of France? Napoleon became the Emperor of France in 1804. When did Napoleon fight the Battle of Waterloo? In 1815. When did women in France got right for voting? In 1946. And these are the answers for the following questions. Now it's kind of fill in the blanks. The National Assembly framed a constitution in 1791 to limit the powers of the monarch. You can also write king. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. So I have also uploaded 2 videos on the same chapter, and one of them is for the timeline of this chapter and another one is for the important personalities of the same chapter. So if you didn't watch that, make sure you go watch it. So this was the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Goodbye.